Hey guys, welcome to my video. And today we are doing a challenge of making who's better at making meatballs. And this is the meat to make them. And this is the flavor for the meatballs. And this is salt and black pepper. So first we put...
This is the flavor, and that's what you're gonna put first.
1 teaspoon of, this is how it looks. It's like a yellow. Got it. Now I'm gonna pour this flavor in here. 1 teaspoon, 1.5 of 2. Not feel my fingers right now.
Oh, onion salt.
Oh, onion salt. I think that's good. So I decided that we should put an egg, like you see in my hand. We're just gonna crack it in here.
And then we're gonna use the Ritz crackers for the breadcrumbs instead.
6 rich crackers in a Ziploc baggie. So we're gonna put the crackers in there. Then we're gonna smash them. I'm gonna put the crackers in here. Oh, the egg is cold. Mix it again like I did in the beginning. Gotta mix it really good. And we're gonna make the balls and put it on this plate right here.
This is the size of the ball.
Yeah.
It's like 2 inches.
I think this is good. See? That's good. So, we're gonna get a skillet, and then we're gonna put this on inside it, oil. Do you see all of that? You're gonna need your pan's help to put on the stove, turn on the stove, and then we're gonna wait until it gets hot. See that there? Then these are all the meatballs I made, and I also made a little one. So when you're cooking, you're always gonna need an adult. Okay, so now the pan is hot. So now we're gonna put the meatballs in the pan, and I'm gonna grab this with these. Put them in here. So as you see, they're cooking, and you can also hear that noise.
Not yet.
Okay.
And wait a couple minutes.
Okay.
And then turn them.
So, and these are called tongs. Tongs? And I can also see, like, the color is changing to like a brown. And then we're gonna flip them, like, on a different side. See that brown? See, we have a plate. And then we're gonna put these 2 paper towels on top of the plate. So when the meatballs are ready and you're gonna put them on here, it's easier to put the extra oil out. So as you see, we got the pot to put the noodles in. So we're gonna put water, then we're gonna put this pot on the stove, and then we're gonna put some of the noodles inside there so they can be cooked. Here. That one?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
How do you put them all the way in there?
It's start cooking.
So I'm gonna put the sauce in it.
So you're gonna put some water in the container?
Yeah, we're gonna put some
applesauce. Tomato sauce.
I'm gonna put
Marinara.
water in this tomato sauce and then we're gonna shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Pour it in. Then you're gonna open it and then just gonna pour it in.